What are the actual reason for you wanting to use a semi-permanent attachment for extensions or for toppers versus temporary such as clip-ons? When you have it attached, you don't take it off. You wear it to bed, you wear it to parties, you wear it to work, and it doesn't come off and on a daily basis. There are pros and there are cons on each. It can be more expensive because you have to get it maintained. You wear it all the time, so you'll have more wear and tear. But the upside of it is it becomes part of your hair and it becomes part of you. Versus the time that you want to wear it with the clip, it means there's are times that actually you have to take it off, which is every day at night, or when you try to exercise, or when you try to pull your hair up, because you don't want the clip cause traction alopecia on your head.